It's not their job na ihatid ang isang lasing na driver sa kondo. That's not part of their job. That's a very clear violation of the duties and responsibilities as Coast Guard personnel manning the busway. So therefore, dapat may parusa. Kasi sir, sila yung mga naka-camouflage, di ba? Oh, sila yung mga nanguhuli. Sila yung dumidipa pa doon sa busway. Nagkikipagsigawan pa. Nililecturan pa yung mga violators, which tama lang. And now, sila nagkamali. Papaluin na yung kamay nila at huwag mo nang ulitin. No. Hindi tama ata yan.
Your Honor, if I may.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Basically, that's the investigation po, answers process that happened, and yun po yung report on the part of SAIC dito kay Secretary Bautista, no? So basically po yung sila ay sumunod lamang, and the order came from their head. That's why sila binigyan ng 3 months. But sila po ay kailangan naming i-retrain because clearly when they reported, hindi talaga nila alam. But base po dito sa comments nyo, we could relook at the penalty regarding that po.
Thank you, Sec. Yung mga sinasabi ko, it's not for me and from me to say it na kailangan nila makusahan. It's all about yung gusto ng taong bayan. Yun ang gusto ng taong bayan, yun yung sundin natin. Diba? Because we're all public servant. Gawin natin kung ano yung mandato sa atin, which is pagsilbihan yung publiko. Now, these 2 gentlemen here must be suspended as well para patas. Kasi kapag hindi nyo po ito sinuspinde, then samut-saring pag-iisip ang papasok sa isipan ng mga tao na meron kayong pinapaboran, na meron kayong mga sacred cow dito sa TOTR. So, ASEC, paasahan ba namin?
Yes, yes, Mr. Chairman. We will also relay this to our legal service and HR so that we will do it properly po yung pag ano po.
Thank you. So by next hearing, gusto namin ng committee dito na meron na naipataw na sanction. Itong admonition, insulto to sir. Kasi this is a big insult to everybody, to the Filipino people. Malaki insulto to. Para paluin lang yung kamay at huwag ka nang umulit. So, I want them suspended. Okay? I'm not going to stop. Hindi ako titigil. Kahit pa every week tayo mag-hearing dito hanggat hindi na napapataw ng tamang parusa yung dalawa na nagkamali. Yun lang talaga naman eh. Yun yung nararapat. Okay? So, maasahan ko po yun. Talk to your legal and then come back to us. Then, kung hindi, patawag mo yung legal.
We'll do that, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. So, next hearing, meron ng resulta tayo. Tama?